Welcome to Belfast, Barrio Fiesta. Ang ganda ng araw bigla. Wow!
Yes, umaraw bigla. Nakakatuwa guys, alam nyo, ang dami nilang paninda at meron silang santol, singkamas, may mangga,
Oh
meron
my
ding saging
God.
na saba, at
Sipin
meron
mo
pang
yun?
walis tambo. Sobra
Yeah.
parang nasa Pilipinas.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk. Simulan po natin dito sa Kabayan Remit.
Of course.
Kuya, kumusta? Anong meron tayo ngayon? Balita ko ang taas ng palet.
Ito yung palitan namin, no? 8450.
Yan.
Yan.
Kung magda-download dyan, ito yung makakuha ninyo. Tapos free yung service charge. O, di ba?
Oh, wow.
Mataas
Paano
na
ba yan?
receive ng receiver ninyo, tapos wala pa tayong service charge. Paano to? Punta ka lang sa Google Play, tsaka Apple Store, and then hanapin mo lang Kabayan Remit. Tapos yun na, dire-diretso na. Phone number lang, enter mo. And then prepare ka lang ng ID. Napakasimple. 2 minutes, tapos kaagad yung registration mo.
Wow! Naman!
Alam nyo na ang
Malupit.
gagawin. Thank you,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you very much! Alright guys, we are here with our kababayan. At syempre, ano bang ating company? Yes.
Ang company po namin, yung Regen Waste po siya.
Okay.
Sa mga ano po yan, yung mga nandyan po sa, nandito po sa Northern Ireland,
Oh.
na gusto pong mag-apply sa ano. Try nyo pong i-search to. Pwede ko bang i-ano to?
Ano mo lang, kita naman yan eh.
Ayan, yan po.
Oh,
I-search nyo lang po yan kung gusto nyo po. Marami po silang ano, mga hiring tulad ng welder fabricator, picker po. Yan, yung misis ko nandito na nakuha ko from Pinas.
Aba, di ba? Yan ang maganda. Oh, paano ba yan na yung region na yan, kinuha ka ba mismo sa Philippines or dito? Paano ba yung process na
Dati po,
nangyari?
nag-apply po ako sa ano, sa Caves Manpower sa Philippines. And
Oh,
then-
madami kami mga nakausap from caves talaga.
And then, natapos po yung contract ko. Tapos, nirenew po nila ako. Inabsorb na. Dati po, galing ako sa Oriol Manpower sa Caves sa Pilipinas. And then, natapos po yung contract ko. Ayun, inabsorb na po nila ako. Ayan, nandito na po kaming mag-asawa.
Oh, wow. Mga gaano ka na ba katagal dito?
Magti 3 years pa lang po ako. And then, dagdag ko nga po pala yung, ano pala, yung Regen. Nagbibigay po sila ng COS.
Okay. Okay. Tapos, ano ba yung COS? Paliwanag lang ng konti.
Certificate of Sponsorship, yan, ganyan lang po.
Yan, sa mga, kumbaga, yung family mo, madali silang makapunta ng
Opo.
ng UK.
Last 3 years, magti 3 years na po ako eh.
Okay. O, mabilis lang, ano?
Mm.
O, tapos, paano ba yung mga ano? Para lang sa mga kababayan natin na nasa Philippines. Tapos, kasi siyempre gusto nila madalang mga families nila, di ba? Gaano ba kadali at saka meron bang mga dapat na gawin prior na pumunta rito sa Ireland?
Yung misis ko po, kasal kami, madali ko lang po siya nakuha kasi dependent ko po siya eh.
Okay.
Basta may pera po kayo, makukuha nyo agad.
Yan naman guys, so pag may pera kayo, basta may pera, di ba?
Oo, ganun
Oh.
naman po talaga, di ba?
Tama naman, totoo. Ano lang, taga saan ka ba sa Philippines?
Sa ano po, sa La Union, yung misis ko sa Calamba.
Okay, that's good. Shoutout naman yan sa mga kababayan natin sa Calamba.
Sa Luna,
at
La
saka-
Union.
Yan. Ano nga ba yung name natin? Sorry.
Rigel Apolinar.
Okay, Rygen Apolinar.
Yes.
Baka naman, Rygen, baka sa mga susunod na yan, isa sa mga haligi na to, sa'yo na.
Oy,
Wala namang masama, di ba? Wala namang masama na baka sakali sa mga in the future, kumbaga. O, di ba? Yun. Pwedeng ano lang dito sa loob nito. Ano ba yung, paki-explain ng konti, ano ba talaga yung mga ginagawa ninyo?
yan po, ito po yung ginagawa po talaga namin. Nag-ano po kami, nag-recycle po sila, yung mga basura po. Ayan.
Okay, tapos, pero yung trabaho nyo talaga, ano mismo?
Yung trabaho ko po talaga ano siya, welder and fabricator po siya.
Okay. Tapos, nung nasa company ka na,
Opo.
ano mismo yung mismong work mo dyan? Fabricator ka pa din? Or
Fabricator. Pero dahil medyo magti-3 years na tayo, alam na natin yung mga yung mga
Pasikot-sikot, kumbaga.
parang all around na. Nagiging minsan pagkaputol, lahat na.
Okay, okay.
Forklift driver, lahat na, wala rin.
so hindi naman yung parang mahigpit na kailangan ito lang gagawin mo. Kumbaga trusted ka na.
Opo. Doon po sa trabaho namin, maganda po dyan, good boss po yung mga nandyan eh.
Mga gaano ka katagal nagwo-work in a day?
Sa amin po, po siya, 10 hours a day. Laging may overtime. Pagka gusto nyo pong pumasok ng Sabado,
Weekends? Oh.
o kaya Linggo, sabihin nyo lang po sa boss nyo, papasukin naman kayo pagka gusto nyo.
Ah,
Ganun po
that's
sila
good,
kabait
di ba?
po sa amin.
Oh, kaya talagang maganda yung kitaan diyan, kumbaga. Kumbaga real talk lang.
Basta may sipag, may tiyaga, may
Tiyaga,
tilaga.
tama. That's good. It's so good to know na yung ating mga kababayan, guys, na they are really doing good in whatever they're doing here in in Northern Ireland, kumbaga. So, thank you at buti nga at actually kanina, guys, na-recognize tayo ng ating kabayan na akala nga sa tap-tap eh. Kumbaga na yan,
Kasi
okay.
pinapanood ko po yung videos nyo eh.
Oh,
hanggang
thank you.
dulo ba?
Hanggang doon,
Kaya
di ba?
nakikita ko diba, nire-recommend nyo po yung top-top.
Thank you. Tama. Kasi para naman sa amin, di ba, yung mga kababayan natin, kung ano yung kakabuti, yun ang ating mga nire-recommend. Siyempre, at alam naman natin kung paano mamuhay sa abroad, at saka lalong-lalo na yung ating mga kababayan na mga baguhan pa lang. Yan. Thank you very much. Baka naman, nakasubscribe ka na ba?
Opo, nakasubscribe na po. Lagi ko
yun.
pong napapanood yung videos nyo.
Oh, thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Well, guys, we are going around here to talk to people dito sa Belfast.
Yes, nakakatuwa kasi finally natuloy ang kanilang Barrio Fiesta.
Yeah,
Dahil alam naman natin
Ano
na
natin?
medyo nagkagulo last time.
correct.
So,
Medyo kinakabahan din tayo noon, 'di ba? Na ano kaya mangyayari?
yeah,
'Di ba?
tutuloy ba tayo?
Tutuloy ba tayo o hindi?
Oo,
Medyo
syempre.
nagtatakip si Mrs. K sa araw. Oh. Nasira kasi ang kanyang sunglasses.
Yes. Kailangan ng bago.
Yeah.
Kaya yun. So, at least kahit pa paano natuloy na and nakitang-kita naman natin, nag-enjoy ang mga Filipinos. And
Yeah.
ayan, no? Meron pa silang dito, police.
Yeah, meron namang talagang
Talaga.
talagang police dito.
Oo.
In fairness naman, guys, so far, no?
Organized.
Okay naman.
Yes,
Wala tayong nakitang
organized. Ang daming tao. And makikita mo na masasaya yung mga tao. Busog sila. Ang daming food.
and then syempre
Ang dami-dami.
maaga pa
Oo.
naman, maaraw. Kanina
Yeah.
actually on the way tayo.
Ito si Lola Bex. Lola
Oh,
Bex,
naman.
say hello naman.
Say hello.
Ito, kanila
Eto.
organizer.
Hello.
Yes.
Bex. Anong masasabi mo, Lola Bex?
I'm happy,
Uh-huh.
It's good enough. Good turnout. Yeah.
Yes, and finally, natuloy after the gulo.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know, right?
Yun.
Kaya nga eh. So, no, that's the worry part.
Mhm.
Dahil nag-change ng date.
Yes.
Yung
So, yung mga tao medyo, di ba, hindi nila sure. May mga nakabook na yung work nila. So,
Hindi
yan na-change na.
nakapunta.
So mga iba kasi dati, 'di ba, parang ilang weeks ba 'yon yung
5 weeks.
before? 5 weeks,
So
'di ba?
we delayed it by 5 weeks.
5 weeks or more than 5 weeks. Mga ganun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero ang turnout naman ngayon so far compared sa
Any cancellation,
Oo.
that's good.
okay.
That's a good turnout for
Yeah.
for your original date kasi yung mga tao nagplan
Yeah,
for that
of
date,
course.
di ba? So,
Because I know you are very organized. This is not our first time to be here in your Barrio
Yeah.
Fiesta. And we know you're organized. So,
Before kasi ang ano natin indoor, 'di ba? Napuntahan
Yes,
natin.
yes.
Pero
we're
ngayon
indoor-outdoor.
Indoor-outdoor. Oh, yeah.
And then
Ngayon-
because it's expanding, every year it's getting bigger and bigger. but that place in Grosvenor is getting too smaller.
Too small,
and smaller.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we have to
Go outside.
upgrade.
Yes, of course, yeah.
So thank you for having us,
Thank you for
Lola
having you
Bex.
too. So,
Yeah.
We're so
Thank you.
happy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I hope you're enjoying
Of
yourself.
course, yeah. Lalo na, ito pa, ang araw, di ba? Lumabas.
Yeah.
Yes,
Super.
and it's not too hot.
Yes.
I like it like this. I don't like it too hot.
know.
Medyo may hangin, di ba?
Kasi it'll drain you.
Yes.
Correct.
You'll be like candle.
Yeah.
Candle.
Yeah.
So this is just happy. Yung grass natin still green.
Yes.
It's not burnt out. So
Tama, yeah.
thank
you. See you around.
Hi guys, I'm Crystal Bello. Your health is the foundation of everything you want to build. Your energy, your confidence, your productivity, your mood, your relationships, your future. When your body feels good, everything in your life gets better. And that's why I'm passionate about the Feel Great system. It's a simple, science-backed way to support your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, reduce your cravings, and help you lose weight naturally without depriving yourself or doing extreme diets. Most people don't need more restriction. They need a system that works with their body, not against it. The Feel Great system gives you steady energy, fewer crashes, better digestion, and real sustainable results. So if you're ready to take control of your health and finally feel great in your own skin, contact Mr. and Mrs. K from Ireland. They'll help you get started. Bye.
So, what are you waiting for?
Tara, let's talk! Okay.
Now naman, eto na. Dito na
Naman,
tayo.
naman,
Eto
oh.
na, anong meron tayo
Diba?
rito? Ano
Yun!
naman? Ang ganda ng upo ni Madam.
Ano talaga, oh, relax na relax.
Relax
Diba?
na relax. Salad Master para sa healthy cooking.
Yes.
Oh.
Ito kasi Mrs. K, ano,
Mm.
pag sinabi kasing lutuan,
Yes.
pag sinabi kasing pagkain,
Oh.
di ba kailangan yung pagpa-prepare na medyo na ano yung ano ko,
Nabulol.
nabulol tuloy ako.
Oh,
Pero
ang
when
pag-prepare.
Ang pag-prepare, mahalaga siya. Bago natin ipasok ang pagkain,
Sa katawan natin.
yes, kailangan
Siyempre,
ready
tama
tayo.
ba yung ginagamit natin na equipment?
Tama.
Safe ba?
Yun ang
Yan
tanong.
yun ang mga tanong.
Yeah.
And syempre, pag-usapang safe, dapat Salad Master yan.
Yes naman.
Oh. Ano
Oh.
bang bago natin sa Salad Master?
Eto na, eto
Nakabili
na.
ng 10.
Bilingan 10 set.
Eto na.
Go.
What do we have here?
Now we're just doing
Ooh,
banana cube,
banana
cooked
cube.
without
Yeah.
oil.
Ito
Yes.
siguro pahawak na lang. Pahawak na
sige.
lang.
Banana Q without
Nag-banana
oil.
cube kami without oil.
Yes.
Ubus na.
And this one?
Wala na,
Oh,
ubus
wala
na.
na.
Oo.
Oo.
So these are just displays namin.
Oo.
Pero
Kasya to sa bag ko. Kasya na to sa bag.
mag-a-alarm yan. Sa skillet naman, egg pie.
Wow.
Cook without ano din yan.
Malam,
oven.
masarap yan.
No need for oven. You just need your electric skillet.
Can I cook that? Can I cook that here?
Yes, in 30 minutes. Using oven, you use about
transfer
3
nila.
kilowatt. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And using Salad Master, you use only 0.9 kilowatt of electricity. In conventional oven, you use 3 kilowatt. So you save about 2.1 kilowatt.
So, ipahawak niya mic. So, the question is,
Hawakan daw.
yan, the question is, kung ako ay mag-uumpisa pa lang maghanap ng lutuan, why would I go with Salad Master?
Because Salad Master is started in 1946. It's 80 years in business. The good thing with Salad Master, you will have guaranteed clean kind of cookware. That's the most important thing that touches the food, which is made of 3168 titanium stainless steel. It will not react. It will not leach any chemicals. That's the most important thing in cooking.
Yeah.
It's a good investment.
Because when
Ako
you're
na
in investment, yes. Because in life, you need to invest your health because health is wealth.
Yes.
That's Salad Master.
Yes.
So, yun na rin lang naman ano, 'di ba? 'Di ba kanina we were saying that to prepare your food is very important, the preparation itself. And then when the food gets in, obviously you have to prepare your inside as well. Kaya guys, alam na guys kung saan pupunta.
Alam
Di ba?
na this.
Alam na this, di ba? Kaya
Yes.
if you want to feel good, then ano pa nga ba, Mrs. K?
Of course, dapat feel
Mag-
great system tayo.
Yes! Naman, okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you guys. Wow.
Guys, you can contact them. We will
Samba,
post their
samba.
detail.
Yeah.
So sa Belfast po, we have our office in Unit 14, North City Business Center, BT 15 to GG. And then sa Drogheda naman, number 2 Workspace Unit, Workspace Center pala, Mayoralty Street, Drogheda. Yun.
Meron bang mga ano diyan, mga kumbaga mga ano man tawag nito? Yung mga
Oh yeah, they have presentations every Saturday.
Yes, meron kami mga cook school, so please get in touch with us para maka-join naman kayo sa mga cooking shows namin.
And syempre, libreng kain po yan.
Correct. Oo. Libreng kain
mga
at saka
promo ba, mga gano'n?
oo. Mayroon din kami mga promo. So today, ang promo namin, if you refer 2 people, and after we've done the show, you get the tumbler. This is a hot and cold tumbler. Wala ka pa nito.
Wala pa.
Oo.
Oh, edi akin na yan. Ay. Madali akong kausap.
Only per one, you can have 2 referrals.
Yeah, and this is made of 316L also.
Okay.
So ano na din ito? 316 na din.
Gusto ni Don Kay yan. Bagay na bagay sa aming Unimate yan.
Correct. Oo.
Yay.
Hot and cold eh, di ba?
Ano to? Yun, di ba? Sakto.
Oo.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, we're delighted. The sun is up and all, so we're very happy to be up here. Guys, when it comes to app, 'di ba? Napakadali pagka merong app yung mga kung ano-ano mang bagay na ginagamit natin.
At ang nakakatuwa dito, meron dito sa Belfast Barrio Fiesta na agency siya. Well, actually, hindi ko alam kung how it works, pero ang galing kasi magda-download ka lang ng app and then makakakuha ka ng mga shift work. So sa mga nurses dyan na, alam mo yun, na walang gagawin, kumbaga may day off nila, pwede na kagad open lang ng app.
Yeah, yung mic natin.
Maybe, let's talk to the person na magbibigay sa atin
Yes.
ng more information.
Yeah.
Yes, hello. Hello. Now, we have
Flav.
Your name?
Flav.
Flav.
Flav, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We have Flav. Now, and he will tell us about this Florence agency.
Well, what is Florence really? If you can tell us about your the company.
We're a recruitment agency, but we do things a bit differently. So in a normal recruitment agency, you'll have a lot of paperwork, bring this paper, stuff like that. We do it all online via the app. So someone looking for a role as a care assistant or a nurse, they will need to have some previous experience. All they have to do is register on the app and then follow the steps there. Everything is step by step what you need to do from the first thing until you can become fully compliant, and then once you are compliant you see all the shifts available in the app.
And how can they get the app?
Well, they just need to search for Florence app either on the App Store if you're having an iPhone or the Play Store if you're having an Android. So everything is there.
But do they have to register with you before they can get the app, or
No.
it's free?
So you just need to download the app, and then once they start the process there, it will be considered as you start your registration. So that's whenever they will come on my end, and then I'll take over from there if someone has any issues or questions, or if there's someone there.
And the good thing about here, they can already see how much they will get, no? The salary, I mean how much they will get paid per hour.
So once someone has completed certain steps, they will be able to unlock to see the shifts available in their area. So they will know exactly right. If I register, there's going to be X amount of shifts, and they will be able to see the average pay rates as well. So they will know for sure, right? Is it worth continuing? Is it not?
That's very good, isn't it? The
Yes, that's
advancement
really good.
of
We should bring this to the South or Republic of Ireland.
that's the advancement
I'll
of technology.
definitely suggest it. I'll definitely suggest it to my managers, and we'll take it from there.
So at the moment, where are you operating? Just
So we're
London
operating
or
at-
England?
So we're operating across the UK.
UK.
So England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales as well. We have operation in France, and then we have Canada as well.
Oh, very nice, isn't it? Yeah.
So we're doing that. Hopefully, we're going to extend down south as well. But
But
Yes.
but for curiosity, when did you start this company?
so the company started about 10 years ago, if I'm not
Oh, it's been a
mistaken.
while.
Yeah, and personally, I only started about 2 years ago.
Okay,
with
but the company itself is 10
But
years
of
ago.
course, 10 years ago, it's not an app. No, you don't have the app.
It was starting
Okay.
as a,
Okay.
yeah, it was already I think we were one of the first companies in this sector to actually have an app. Now obviously it was
Oh,
tweaked
yeah.
and it advanced and upgraded since then, but it all started with the app itself, yeah.
Okay.
Wow, very good. Thank you.
Pretty much everyone else that has apps now, they
Yeah.
kind of took it from us.
Yes.
Oh, I
So,
see.
yeah.
So you're the original.
We're the originals, yes.
Okay. And then the company itself, the owner of the company, where's the owner?
So the main office and the owners, there's two of them. They're based in London.
Okay.
So one of the owners is actually a doctor. And
Okay.
then Dan will be the other one who, well, they co-founded the company. So he will be more on the
Tech side.
customer client side.
Okay.
And then Charles would be more on the clinical side, if you would like.
And again, guys, this app is connected to all the currently where you're connected, like the mostly nursing homes.
or-
Nursing. So we're working in Northern Ireland strictly with nursing homes and residential homes, but then in England there are currently working with nurseries as well. I believe they're working with some supported living sites as well. So
Okay.
yeah.
So again, what's the name of the app?
So it's just Florence app. That's how it is on Google Play or the App Store, or if you just type Florence, it will come up. There's only one. There's only one Florence, basically.
There's only one Florence.
And I'm
yeah.
sure it was taken from Florence Nightingale.
Yes, very nice.
Thank
Okay,
you, Vlad.
Flab,
No
thank you
problem,
very
thank
much.
you.
Okay, see you around. Kahit pa asa ba tayo ngayon?
Nasa malayong lugar.
Yeah, meron pa din na mga prutas na galing sa Pilipinas.
Imagine.
I can't imagine it actually.
Imagine, meron na po silang saba. Saging
Oh.
na saba.
Isipin mo yun.
Merong singkamas. May kalamansi.
Yeah.
At ito, paborito ko to, santol.
Oh my God, santol,
O, diba, saan ka
makatol.
pa? O, meron din silang lansones.
Isipin natin yan, no?
Oh, ito.
Mangosteen. Oh.
And rambutan. Sangka pa. Oh,
Diba?
Sa Belfast ka na.
Yes. At
Siyempre,
ano pa
galing po
meron
siya
dun?
sa Pilipinas. And then,
Yeah.
merong
At may
Baguio.
Walis
may
Tambo.
Baguio, Walis Tambo. At sikat sa atin talaga pag sinabing Baguio, Walis Tambo. Yan.
Yeah.
Marunong po ako gumawa niyan. Oh,
Yan, pasok
diba?
tayo dito. Siguro,
Ito.
baka may pwede tayong
And syempre,
kausapin.
meron tayong mga Filipino products made in the
Yeah.
Philippines. And
At
ito,
yan.
balot. I'm sure it's
Boiled
balot.
quail
Ay,
egg.
no, itlog na maalat. And ito, number 1.
Siyempre
Alam na
guys,
this.
diba, pagka yung may mga sakit sa kasukasuan dyan.
Oh, sa Lompas. Mukhang kailangan ko to.
Oh, diba? Yan.
Oh,
Sige, ikot tayo doon.
Okay. Ayan, so syempre, meron silang mga dato puti, banana ketchup, mga sinigang mix, kung ano-ano. And for halo-halo, tamang-tama dahil mainit ngayon.
Ito talaga guys, yung mga
Ayan,
sinasabing
ang dami. Spaghetti. Ayan, no, meron pa silang papaya pickles, star margarine. Dito daw tumangkad si Don.
yeah, diba?
Oh, dito
Oo.
tumangkad. Ay,
Oh, diba?
Ito din daw pong asawa ko, diyan tumangkad.
Yeah,
Actually,
maganda.
kahit ako, dito din, aminin na natin, nung bata tayo, kumakain tayo ito, nilalagyan mo ba ng asukal yung
Oo, gano'n
yung
naman
kanin?
talaga sa atin, di ba? Well,
Oh, diba?
hindi.
Asukal.
Yung tinapay. Yung mismong, ano bang tawag nito?
Pandesal.
Pandesal, di ba?
Yes.
Mainit-init pa. So guys, we are here with are you the owner?
Yes, we're the owner. We are the
Oh,
supplier.
wow,
and for
supplier.
the products.
Okay.
We supply most of the
Wow.
stores here. Yeah.
Oh,
so
wow.
you are Miss Etcetera.
Oh my God, di ba? Tama.
Okay. So super nakakatuwa na you managed to bring
Eh, doon ka sa,
this
Laura, para
dito
kita.
you managed to bring all these products na nami-miss nating mga Pilipinos.
Yes, oo. Kasi, pero minsan kasi, na-homesick tayo, di ba? We feel like we need something more, especially we work hard here. Wala yung mga family natin, and then we feel homesick. Then a little something na from home feels like we feel better.
Correct, yeah.
Kasi me, myself, namimiss ko yung mga product natin at na-homesick tayo. Pero pag nakakita tayo, uy, may mangga, may
Iba, no?
something.
Iba yung dating, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi meron namang mga mangga rito, pero
Yes,
iba.
Kasi
Iba.
mas mahal daw ang pamasahe, the plane ticket to Philippines.
Correct.
That's why when we see something from home, I was like, I feel home. You know,
Correct, yeah.
a short, like homesick na napapayuhan ng magandang feeling.
Correct. So,
Sorry, anong first name mo?
Christy.
Christine, kayo, ito, para alam lang ng ating mga kababayan, saan kayo
So
matatagpuan?
we are based in Scotland. We travel all the way here every
Oh,
year.
really?
Yes.
Every year for this Barrio
Every
Fiesta?
Barrio Fiesta, because we have a lot of customers here. We supply most of the Filipino Asian stores in Belfast. In Ballymena, in Larne, we supply them. That's why we always make time to come here. We supply most of the stores in London, in Scotland, all the way to England.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
most of the Asian stores, most of the product you see, we are the one bringing it. And then it's our way of meeting our customers. And of course, we don't meet all the time. So this is the perfect time. We say hi, hello, and
Correct, yeah.
Yeah.
You should extend this to the Republic of Ireland.
yeah, because we're actually from down south.
Oh, we supply also Ireland.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
Are they new, the fruits?
No, it's not new. We've been doing this our first business. We've been doing this for years. This is our first business. And then when we started with fruits, we tie up with a lot of customers and they said, we have a shortage of Philippine product. We supply in Ireland.
oh really?
Very
Okay, that's
nice.
nice.
That's
huh?
good to
the
know.
Philippine store there.
Yes.
We supply them.
Oh, the Filipino stores. Okay.
That's good to know na the products that we buy in Dublin are from
It's
you,
actually
Christine.
from your... Oh, wow.
Some of it though,
It's
some of it
impressive.
maybe from other, yeah.
But did you go like directly, you have contacts in the Philippines, obviously?
We have also export company in Philippines, and most of the product you see like the sweet corn, Regent, special chicharon, we are the exclusive importer of that from the factory directly to the UK.
Okay.
So we import this product directly.
Yeah.
So exclusively for the UK market.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So for our kababayans watching the vlog or the podcast, I would say, it's really, really, I would say, inspiring.
Yes.
And how did you start the business, basically?
Well, as I've said, I'm also like, when I moved to Scotland, I was looking for the Philippine products as well. I feel homesick. Not that I feel that I really miss home. You always miss something home, a little something that you miss. A part of you will miss something. So I said, okay, I want to stop that. So I decided to bring the product.
But did you start as an entrepreneur or what did you start with?
No, I used to be a DJ back in the
Oh,
Philippines.
wow.
Wow, sample!
I used to work in the radio, but my husband is Scottish.
really?
So he's
Okay.
the one who pushed me to start the business.
Very good idea.
And he said to me, you need to do something you love.
Of course.
Don't think of it as a business, but think of it that's something you love. So here we are,
Yeah.
10 years after.
We love food. So, eto na yan.
Yes, dapat may... Kasi nakikita din namin walang mga fruits dito
Oh,
na mga
yeah.
mangga. As perishable items, it's a lot of stress to bring it here. But
Very
we
kaya-
managed to master it, so it's all good.
I can only imagine the logistics. It's just,
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're shipping it every week via airline.
Oh.
Well done, Christine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Christine.
very much for your time. And then guys, tingnan nyo yun, di ba? Oh, wow.
Thank
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Christine.
Yeah.
Storing files. So with this one, so with this one, it will help you. It will help our body not to recognize. Oh, he ate cakes or he ate a big rice meal. It won't recognize it. It's slowly. So your insulin will be on remain.
Yeah.
So you're burning fats.
And at the same time,
That's the difference.
the fiber itself, they're actually the food for the microbiome. So microbiome plays really, really important in our health, in our immune system. One each. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, the raspberry. That's nice.
You wanna try this with another flavor?
You eat rice now or ginger? Yeah. Lemon ginger.
Rice is
Ito lang raw. Lemon ginger.
I'm just saying rice is death. I mean life.
I
asked him rice or potato. And
rice.
I have a Filipino disease.
Oh.
I have gout. I take maintenance.
That's why
That's the answer there. Now guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng aming podcast, mini vlog actually. But from Belfast, diba, Mrs. K?
Yes, from Belfast po. Talagang nag-enjoy kami dito sa event nila. Hopefully mag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood sa aming vlog and podcast.
Correct. And from that, guys, thank you. And syempre, huwag kakalimutan, mag-like and subscribe. And thank you very much again. Kaya next time again, guys. Tara!
Let's talk!
Tara!
Let's talk!
Tara!
Let's talk!